Welcome back. In this we are going to understand the pricing of the EC2 machine. For that we need to go to the AWS pricing. We need to go to the AWS pricing calculator, and here we need to click on the cost estimate. Once we are here, we need to select our service. In the find service we need to type the EC2, and here we need to click on configure. Now here I need to select my region. So let's suppose I am working in the US East 1, that is North Virginia. Here I need to select the tendency. So I want the share instance, dedicated host. I need to select that thing. So I'm going with the shared one. Operating system, I need to select whether I want to go with the Linux or I want to go with the Windows. So let me go with the Linux. In the workload, I'm not sure about my workload, so I'm going with the default option. How many instances I need? I need one instance. And then I need to select the instance type. So let me go with the T2 micro. Now if you see the cost, I have the costing here, monthly costing. Now the next, which I need to select whether I want to go with the compute saving plan, some instance saving plan, on demand spot instance. We do have the other one as well, like the reserved instance, convertible reserved instance. So let me go with the on demand. Now if you see, the monthly costing is slightly higher, and if I go with the saving plan, the monthly costing is somewhere around $3. Here if I am going with the on demand, it is 8. Let me go with the compute. Here we have 4.23. Let me go with the on demand. Here we have the calculation as well. If I want to see in detail the calculation, how this thing is actually calculated, I can click on the show calculation and it will show me all the details. The next option, I have to select the EBS volume. Here I need to enter the storage amount. So let's suppose I'm going with the 50 GB of the storage. Now the costing is 12. Again I can click on the show calculation and it will show me all the calculations. Monitoring, if I want to enable the monitoring, I can also do that. See, the pricing is slightly increased. Earlier it was 12. Now if I'm going to enable this thing, it is 14. Then we have the data transfer. If we need to transfer some of the data from a different region to this, so I can enable that thing as well. Elastic IP, if I want to go with the elastic IP, I can select that one, and here it is going to show me my costing. So this is how we can check the pricing for the EC2. We can select any of the machine type from here and we can see the pricing. And it is always a good approach to check the pricing before creating any of the machine.